Ivana, and today I am going to be doing Siri Picks My Slime Ingredients, and I have a special guest. This is my best friend Carly.
Hi.
We met each other in first grade. Yeah, guys, we have our bowls here, and I'm going to be asking Siri first, and at the end we're going to put all the slime ingredients into our bowls, so not like while we're doing it because it's going to take too long. So yeah, I'm going to go first. Siri, pick a number from 1 to 10.
It's
8.
8.
Okay, where is 8? I got 8. Okay, so I got this glow in the dark. I think so. Yeah, glow in the dark.
Just put it on your side.
Yeah, I don't know what it is, but like we cover them so we don't know. So like we don't know. Okay, it's your turn.
Hey Siri, pick a number from 1 to 10.
The answer is 5.
Okay, you got 5. Here you go. You got this.
Yay, I got metallic. I wanted this one.
Yeah, I got glow in the dark. I accidentally said. Yeah, I accidentally said that. Okay, so my turn. So you pick a number from 1 to 10.
That would be 10.
Okay, I got 10.
This one's 10. This one's 10.
Yes,
Hey Siri, pick a number from 1 to 10.
That would be 6.
Oh my god, 6. Which one's 6? 6. That's 7.
You got this one. Okay, so by the way, guys, we're going to be playing.
We still got metallic.
Yeah, guys, we're going to be playing from which each of us get 4 ingredients. So you pick a number from 1 to 10.
That would be 1.
I got 1. What? Look at it, glow in the dark. Yes, mine's going to be glowing in the dark. Yay.
Hey Siri, pick a number from 1 to 10.
It's 4.
4 yeah. What is 4? You got.
I already got 3 activators. That's not fair.
It's fine. Just get
That
it.
isn't fair.
We're both gonna get it. There's a chance. So guys, by the way, she got this confetti and she already has 1 confetti. So by the way, guys, she's gonna only use one of the confettis.
I'm using number 6
Okay.
because I was 6. But I'm turning 9 on April Fool's Day.
Siri, pick a number from 1 to 10.
The answer is 1.
Okay.
You already have one.
Okay, I already have one, so I have to do it again. So you pick a number from 1 to 10.
The answer is 3.
Okay.
3?
Metallic glow.
But that's not fair.
Okay, I'm done with my 4 ingredients. Now you have to get a lucky one. There's one.
I need a lucky one, please. Please don't say 9. Hey Siri, pick a number from 1 to 10.
That would be 3.
What's 3?
Okay. I have 3, so you need to do it again.
Hey Siri, pick a number from 1 to 10.
It's 8.
You already.
8. I already have 8.
Hey Siri, pick a number from 1 to 10.
It's 8.
Again?
Okay, guys.
Siri!
Why?
Hey Siri, pick a number from 1 to 10.
It's 6.
I already have 6.
Yeah, I already have 6.
Hey Siri, pick a number from 1 to 10.
It's 2.
You got the glow. Yes. Okay, guys. Now we're gonna be making the slime.
Yes! What should we do first?
So first, I'm gonna be putting my glues in.
You can take off the sticky notes.
Yeah, I'm gonna put my
Let's take
metallic glue in first.
I'm going to take off all the sticky
I can't believe I'm making slime with so
This
many
took a long
ingredients.
time.
But don't put too much of the thingies. And put a little bit of this and put a little bit of that. Okay? Well, you need to use 4 because this one's not open yet. So.
So I'm scared.
It's so hard to put this glue in, guys. Like in my video that I did slime with my friend, my other friend, Maya. We weren't do Siri. We just did normal glow in the dark.
Empty! It's like almost empty.
Yeah, I'm just putting a little bit of the metallic. I don't want too much.
This is so hard.
I was hoping something like a clear thing or something. Clear. I got clear. I like the clear.
This is hard.
Yeah, I know that one's hard. That one's so hard from last video. Yeah, she got the glow in the dark one. So the glow in the dark one, guys.
I got it.
The clear one is so easy to put in. Look. This one's like liquid.
Remember when like Maya said, "Stop tooting, Ivana," but you're like, "It's the glue. It's the glue."
Yeah, I remember that. Wow, you got like so little in. Like, you got one little. Okay, and my last.
Mine. If you're watching this, I'm sorry. We wish you were here.
Well, this one is not even coming out.
Just come out, dude. Come out. Help. Okay, I think this is
Okay. You guys are like. You guys are staring them there and like watching me pour this white glue in. Why?
Okay, I think I've handled it.
I just don't like my days right now. Okay, here, I just need to use this.
Yeah, we're in the middle of a play date, and we're gonna go to Starbucks. I have my own money, so we're gonna get this.
And I have my own money. I have $20.
We're gonna get the s'mores frappuccino. We're both gonna get the s'mores frappuccino, and I googled how much it is, and it's $4.25. And I got $5. My $5.
Okay, guys, like my life is bad.
I wanna do metallic, cause I got glow in the dark and metallic. Okay,
Come
I'm
on.
scared.
Why is this not getting out? Do I have to cut it?
I think you have to cut it.
Yeah, I think I have to cut it. Because this is like a challenge. I'll do everything for you guys.
Yeah, we'll do anything for YouTube. It's YouTube.
YouTube is best.
It's like clear water with like it's clear glue with confetti.
Okay, at least I have some in. I put some in.
I'm gonna put a little bit more glue in. I'm gonna put a little bit.
Okay.
That's not fair.
Okay, at least I have some in it. Okay, guys, I have a little bit in it, like a teensy bit, like right there. It's okay. The challenge is that you have to have something.
Look,
at
mine
least
is like
some.
empty. Mine is like empty.
I got. Wait, how much?
Mine is like empty. See, mine is like empty.
Yeah, it's like empty. Where's metallic?
Yeah.
Oh, here's my metallic.
I have glow in the
Now I have to put my
and
glow in
metallic.
the dark activator inside.
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Now I'm gonna mix. Oh, my spoon is literally all over. Okay.
I'm not even using my spoon.
Okay. I'm gonna go and change my spoon. Like, I'm gonna go change my spoon. So, guys, Carly's gonna be with you.
Hello. Okay, so we're gonna do this. What do you think? It is so cool. And this is my first time being on YouTube.
Okay, guys, I am back. So now I'm gonna mix this up. Okay, mine is going well, guys. Look at it.
I'm gonna put a little bit
Mine
more.
is mostly gonna be like metallic, but it's clear.
I'm gonna put a little bit more.
Should I put them in at the same time?
I'm gonna put them in at the same time.
Ooh, this looks
I'm
good.
gonna put them in at the same time.
Okay, I think I put a little too much activator in, but I can just put some glue in and that is gonna work.
Okay.
It's stretchy.
Oh my god! Do you know how nervous I was when I'm gonna be in this YouTube video? Because like I was so nervous that I made a script on it in my like, notebook.
Oh, guys, do you remember when I started YouTube at Taekwondo? I was like scared. But now I'm like, woo!
Also, I read all of your descriptions.
Yay. You're gonna choose the description this time.
Okay, I need more glue. I want metallic glue. I need to put a,
Wow.
I want to put
Guys, my song is like rock and roll right now.
We're just gonna go crazy with this. Look how dirty my hands are.
Okay, guys, I think my slime is going well.
Yeah.
Very well.
It's on 9 minutes. 10 minutes.
And by the way, guys, she might open a YouTube channel soon.
Yeah, I might have a YouTube channel soon.
Probably today.
Yeah, probably today. Yours looks so cool.
And we're going to be the 2 YouTubers of our class in school.
Yeah, we were in the same class in 1st grade, not in 2nd grade, and now we're in the same class again in 3rd grade. 1st grade feels like such a long time ago. But it was only like 2 years ago. Imagine if you had to eat this. Ew, 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 ew. You know how like you're carving
Mine is
pumpkin?
like rock and
You know
roll.
the feeling where you like have the goop and you're carving pumpkin? That's exactly how this feels.
Oh. Mine's perfect. Look at it, guys.
I got all the seeds.
But it's still lots of sticky. Mine's like so sticky. And I'm going to put more activator in.
Yeah, this is real slime.
Mine is like real slime right now. Look at it. It's perfect. It feels so good. I don't need more activator. I'm going to put a teensy in so it's not like, so I make sure it's not sticky. That's teeny. Teeny, look at that.
I'm just gonna go crazy.
I really.
Oh, you can't even get this open.
Okay, guys, I'm sorry about that noise.
But yours is like so cool. I need it so much.
Whoa, guys.
I have too little.
I love my slime, guys. It looks like a little cotton candy.
I'm struggling. This looks disgusting.
That smells good.
It smells like soap.
Let me help you.
It smells like soap. Okay, I'm gonna go wash my hands.
Where's Ollie? Ollie. I'll be back in a minute.
Only downstairs.
Hey, let's tell us that your slime is
I think he's sleeping downstairs. So I have to think of it.
It's fine. Let's just light it. Okay, I just helped her. Guys, her slime looks perfect. It's like so perfect. Yeah, it just looks gooey. It's like gooey. It was just gooey. It just feels gooey to her. And look at my slime, guys.
Mine is like falling apart.
Yeah, it's fully apart, but because she put too much
I didn't-
activator in it. But it's okay. So guys, do you like our slimes? Look at mine. First, I'm gonna give you a view of my slime. So it is a very stretchy slime, as you can see. And here it is.
Do I get to keep this?
Yeah. Okay, guys. I hope you enjoyed our video. Please subscribe, like, and turn on the post notifications. Bye.